T-tops. These are all the Mahalo boats here. You can see a bunch of T-tops going at once. The half rail for a Viking boat right there. Flying rail, we do. Bow rails here. In the far corner, you can see a Viking hardtop being built over there. So all this is going on at one time.
It'd be amazing.
Oh, wow, right? Everything's got fixtures, so they know, those are all your staging areas. A lot of stuff can be moved around as well. So we have different set holes on all the fixtures. That way we can adjust and get 2-3 different hardtops out of one fixture just by moving support legs and things like that.
Wow.
Yeah, a bunch of consoles for the Mahalo boats. Take them, fit them out. That way the guys they have their spots, everything gets mounted on the same part, and they build everything exactly the same off of each piece.
Yeah, we bought 2 of those.